Well, hello there, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friends. So today I have a really fun video because look, I'm going to be trying out a polygel kit, and it is by Beetles, and they already create my most favorite top coat ever, so I kind of figured why not give it a shot. Plus it was the most inexpensive polygel kit on Amazon too. I want to do something really cute today. What do you guys think? I brought out the sparkles. Ah, dang it, I mixed the glitter and the sparkles. Oh well. And I'm also going to be trying to see if I can incorporate some money art. I just can't help it, you guys. I figured, hey, I don't know how to use acrylic, but I kind of want to see if polygel can help me create the money nails of my dreams. Sometimes people rip up real actual dollars. I don't really recommend that you do that, baby. That is illegal. Make money. See, play money, so don't come for me, y'all. So yeah, let's get started. So I actually already started. I already prepped my nails by pushing the cuticles back, and I started filing them with this nail filer that came with my Beetles polygel kit. So I'm going to be filing the tops of my nails, and I'll be right back. And this is what your nails should look like right after. And now we're ready to apply the base coat. I should cut off the extra skin around my cuticle, but I'll do that later. Time for base coat. Oof, this camera won't stop shaking, y'all. So after we're done applying the base coat, we're going to be sticking it inside the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Ooh, I didn't know that your nails got all shiny after you applied base coat to them. I don't know if they should be somewhat tacky, but that's what they feel like right now. Okay, and I'm going to be using these nail tips that I got from AliExpress. I decided to use these because they are already shaped, and they're already a size that I would like to try out. I don't know if this is a bad idea, but I want to try it out and see if it works. And we're gonna get our polygel. I'm going to get the clear one because I want to try out the clear one. A little spatula and a brush to apply, and the instructions say to get some 70%, oops, girl, why are you always shaking? 70% isopropyl, and I'm gonna pour some in my little pink tray. Hopefully I don't spill. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Beetles clear. I'm gonna squeeze out an itty bitty blob like that, and with our spatula we're just gonna scrape it off. Oh girl, I'm so bad at doing this on camera. I swear to Bob that I'm not this bad in person. So yeah, so we're going to apply it onto the nail like this. Push it on just like this. Paint it on, girl. So we're gonna cover the whole entire thing. I'm assuming that you want to do a thick amount because you don't want a thin nail, or a thin nail, I mean. Okay, so it's a little bumpy, and the instructions say that if it's bumpy, to apply, so to pat it down with some rubbing alcohol, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna add stuff to it. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a little dotting tool, dip it in water, and I'm just gonna be sticking it in, you know? And I'm just gonna randomly place them into the nail like this. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my clear again, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Ooh, cute. I'm gonna take the nail, I'll put it on my thumb just like this. I'm gonna slide it down like that. I'm gonna press it down, but don't press down too hard, you guys, because it will like gush out on the sides, and you do not want that. Okay, so let's get our lamp. So you guys, so this is what it's supposed to look like once we're done curing it. So I'm going to stick it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And let's pray that it pops off and it looks like this. So let's pop it off. Wow. This is so freaking pretty. I like it. Wow, I like it a lot. I still need some practice on the bottom. I feel like I need to file the bottom a little bit because it is a little rough. But for now, this is actually really beautiful. This is really good for my first try. I'm so freaking excited, you guys. Excited to go in with the dark pink. I'm gonna go ahead, take a little glob. And I'm starting to learn that now I know why they make you use the 70% isopropyl alcohol, because it helps you manipulate and flatten down the polygel. So that's what I'm learning right now. So if you guys already know this, don't mind me. I'm just learning. And if you guys are new to polygel, then learn with me. Right, you guys, this is what this nail looks like so far. Cool. Isn't it super cute? This one's definitely a lot sturdier than this one. This one is definitely gonna break. Okay, so we have a nice cool little base. Everything looks somewhat even. I'm gonna be taking these tweezers right here, maybe some of Benji Frankie's eyes. And now I'm going to take some more clear and I'm going to add another little blob over it and flatten it down with some rubbing alcohol. And then place it on my nail. My gosh, another freaking cat hair, you guys. Uh-oh. Yeah, I added too much product around the cuticle. Okay, you guys, let's pop this money nail off because I'm excited. I literally want to start screaming like Donnie from the Wild Thornberries. Girl, this nail does not want to say bye. Girl. Okay. Don't break. Don't break. Yo, we got our first broken nail. I legit tried to shape her to make me feel better, but she's still ugly. Okay guys, so I ended up shaping the rest of my nails. Not shaping them, but filing them down as well because my OCD wouldn't let me work in peace if I knew that some of them were longer than the others. So I'm going to continue doing the rest of my nails and I'm going to be speeding things up because I'm just going to be doing the same old thing, repetitive process. If I end up doing something different that I feel like you guys need to know, or if I end up picking up a different technique as I do the rest of these nails, I will stop and I will let you guys know. And I'm sorry if you guys could hear the ice cream man outside. I can't help it. He's out there selling his ice creams, doing his thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna speed things up and I will show you guys the final result afterwards. Yeah. Now let's move on to the pinky. So this is what my ring finger looks like, you guys. Once you have it all filled up to your desired amount and it's nice and flat, we're gonna flip it over. Ooh, it looks so cute. And we're gonna put it on our pinky. Day girl. And we are going to set that for 60 seconds. Wow, it kind of sort of lifted, you guys. So I'm gonna add a little bit of polygel down here. Hopefully it'll close that gap at the base. So I'm gonna add a little bit of polygel. I'm gonna add a little bit of polygel right here, like gel nail polish. Okay, you guys, so this is what our nails should look like afterwards. As you can see, I still have not shaped them, and I still have not shaped them down to this size. So in order to cut them, I'm going to be taking some cuticle scissors, and I'm going to be cutting them down to the length. And then to shape them, even though they don't need much shaping, I'm just going to be filing down the little rough edges with my nail file. If you're not comfortable with your cuticles, you could also take a nail file and file it down like this, and then you could buff down the whole entire surface of the nail and then cover it with a layer of clear coat, and that's what I'm about to do right now. This is what our nails should look like afterwards. I'm actually really proud of myself because this is my first time working with polygel. What do you guys think about it? I actually really love it, and I personally feel like if you're somebody who really likes that acrylic nail look and you guys can't wear press-on nails for the life of you, I honestly really do recommend learning how to use polygel nail kit. And look at these, look at the amazing nails that you create. This one definitely has to be my favorite. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bling these out off camera, and I will show you guys what they look like afterwards. Well, alright, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friends, what do you guys think of this really cute bedazzle that I did? It reminds me of a gorgeous Hindu goddess design. It's so beautiful. I'm so freaking obsessed with it. I really love it, you guys, and I really loved working with polygel. I definitely recommend the Beetles polygel nail kit if you guys are a beginner. I'm a beginner, and look at these nails, you guys. I need help working the bottom portion, but other than that, I really do recommend the Beetles polygel nail kit for beginners. I will be linking it down in the description box below, and let me know what you guys think. If I did something wrong, and if you guys do things differently, please don't be afraid to let me know in the comment section down below. I'm all about growing and learning, and I encourage you guys to do the same. Well, alright, you guys, I love you guys so freaking much. I will see you guys in the next one, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friends. Bye.